What you doing, Kimi?
Cleaning.
You cleaning? What you cleaning?
Car.
Show me how you wash the car.
Put it in there. Like that.
Ooh.
Or that. Oh, like it. Look, that's water. Look,
Is that how you make the bubbles?
the water.
Oh, the water.
Bubbles now. It's bubbles now. It's fun. And water. What? Clean doors. Push water and bubbles and water. Want to? Mama, want to?
I'll let you do it, baby. This was your idea.
No,
So
Mama do it.
Hey, Cami, show her how you clean the door real good. So you get almost like a sticker.
Oh, my sticker.
a sticker?
Yeah.
How's it work?
Sticky now.
Show her how you scrub.
Very good.
Sticker on it now. Help. You're clean.
Yeah, I've been teaching her like Mr. Miyagi.
Wash on, wash off.
What? Up. Oh, wet.
You are all wet.
And clean.
And
Clean too.
More or less.
Yes. Mom. Me. Musty. A tickle.
A seagull?
Look.
What's it doing?
It is a seagull.
Okay, say bye-bye. I'm going to go off.
Say bye-bye to Mama.
Bye-bye.
Bye, baby. I love you.